How to get the bald filter on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can get the bald filter on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to get the bald filter on Snapchat, basically all you have to do is go ahead and launch the Snapchat app. Now by default, if you find the bald filter right on this page, that's perfectly fine, you can use them. But if you don't find it, you can simply navigate to the search bar over here, which is the filter searching page. Right at the top of the search bar, what you want to do is just type in bald, and all the effects and filters that uses bald ones are going to show up here. Depending upon which one you like, you can select a certain bald ones over here, and then from here you can just go ahead and then pick a face, and once you pick a face, that face will be converted to a bald one, and you can take a snap or video or a snapshot or whatever else you prefer. This way you can go ahead and then basically take a bald filter on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.